Hearing from lots of folks in New Orleans. You worked there for years, worked in Louisiana for almost 2 decades, and now evacuees are watching us this morning and saying, hey, a familiar face there.
Yes, to those that are in Homewood, some of them reached out this morning. They found us on the dial, so thanks for tuning in this morning. We appreciate that. Anyone from New Orleans, welcome to Birmingham. Again, I wish it was under better circumstances, but hey, we're here. We got some great Southern hospitality, and if you have any questions of where to go, where to eat, check things out, hey, check it out. Love this place. All right, how about this morning? Talladega, a lot of cloud cover out there. Not too much rain right now for you. Downtown, our BJCC camera showing us a few light showers. Cloudy skies, not the prettiest of mornings. 74, wind south at 15. It's breezy out there. There's dew points still in the lower 70s. Pretty muggy air. Center circulation with Ida, tropical depression, now sitting over parts of western Alabama here. This is going to work its way through Coleman, Huntsville, and eventually into Tennessee. Look at that feeder band all the way there to where the Georgia line into Georgia and circulating back through Tupelo, Starkville area, and then back into Tuscaloosa. And you can see that's where the center circulation is. Jasper, Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Hamilton. You're all feeling some rain. Nothing too significant. Some moderate rain coming down. A little bit of winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Light showers in Birmingham. The heaviest storms down there from Tuskegee back toward the Auburn area and then heading toward LaGrange, Georgia. Here in town, just some lighter rain showers. So if you're going out for that morning commute, get the kids out the door. Here comes that rain working its way into the Bull City area, Birchfield area, Driftwood, headed to Oakman, eventually Summerton, getting some rain, Hueytown, Bessemer, and it will work its way to Hoover, back over towards, say, Vestavia, downtown, as well as into Chelsea, Leeds, Trussville area, too. Farther to the south, again, Lake Martin area had some heavy rain. That's moving out of the area now. But Ida, look at this. The track is going to take it here off to the northeast and into the mid-Atlantic states here. And check it out. Where it's going to go, it's going to merge with a cold front. Heavy flooding rains expected from the Tennessee Valley all the way through about New York and New England. And they're going to be dealing with significant flooding issues up there as well. Today, we could pick up additional 1 to 3 inches of rain across central Alabama, mainly off to the east. Flooding, yeah, that's still possible. Can't rule out a couple of tornadoes. Those tropical type tornadoes, they're weak, they're brief, but they still can do some damage, as we saw down near Mobile and Troy yesterday. Winds 10 to 20, maybe gusts to 40 at times. Again, power outages is something we'll have to keep an eye on, too. Best chance of severe weather where the yellow is, that is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather. Does include much of eastern central part of Alabama, a level 1 marginal risk there near Alabaster. So we're going to keep an eye on all of those. Additional rainfall, that same area will have the highest amounts, 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3/4 of an inch here. Jasper maybe a smidge more, near 2 inches, about 1/4 to a half, or 3/4 to a half an inch there from Fayette back into Tuscaloosa. And you can see we do have that flash flood watch in effect until tonight at 7 o'clock, and wind advisory as well. There's winds 15 to 20 with some higher gusts at times. So just be aware we could still see some breezy conditions out there. So there's our first batch of rain leaving us. By lunchtime, we're in the mid-70s here, but look at those southerly winds at 18 miles per hour. As we head on into 4 o'clock this afternoon, storms kind of off to our southeast. That's where your best tornado chance will be. Not so much a chance of tornadoes across the area anymore by 4 o'clock. Center circulations to the north. The tornado threat moves away from us. Temperatures around 77 degrees. By dinner time, we're in the lower 70s. Still some clouds and some showers out there with wraparound clouds through 10 o'clock. Check out tomorrow morning, though. A mid to upper 60s in Coleman, 70 Birmingham, Tuscaloosa. Some peaks of sunshine tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see a little bit, but also a little bit of some rain. Again, wrap around clouds around that big circulation of Ida. But how about temperatures 84 degrees? But then check this out. Look at Thursday morning, lower to mid 60s. So if you're an evacuee here in Birmingham, great treat for us. Much cooler weather starting to come into play here with those northerly winds. Makes a difference you're not along the coastline. You get a little cooler before getting back into the mid 80s by Thursday afternoon with those northerly winds in place. Chance of rain, look at that, 20% Wednesday at best, and then nothing as we head into Saturday. And check it out, the humidity, it's going to be dropping out there as well, too. Less humid air Thursday, Friday, highs the mid 80s. How about 62? That's in Birmingham. That means we'll see a few upper 50s on the map there. And then for the weekend, hey, Alabama, Auburn football. Of course, Alabama's in Atlanta. Auburn's down in Auburn. We are looking at 80s there, near 90 degrees, but the humidity stays low. So, if, again, the game in Atlanta, well, it's indoors. That'd be kind of a domey 75 there.